out there. Yeah, it's behind the tree now. And that's going to end up going way over there. Oh, it's not bad out. Yeah, it's not bad out. Sounds like it's close, but it's not. But I'm going to see if I can get it going out the tree over here. Because I can't see it behind the tree at all. Yeah, I'm a slouch. I'll admit it, but yeah, who gives a shit? I do. I don't give a shit. Come on, where are you? Come on. Where are you? I can't even see it. Did you guys see it yet? No, it's gone. Oh, helicopter again. Well, I think that's 3 today. Yeah, 3.